Hey, I'm John. I'm a mechanic on the Polygon UR team for Mick, Hannah, and we're just here in Leogang. Just going to tell you about the tyre setup we got here. He's got Kenda Hellcat front and rear. He's got 29 on the front, 27 on the back. Both 2.4 and AGC casing. In the front he's got 26 psi and the rear 27. Chose this tyre just because it's a great combination of grip and fast rolling. It's great durability. We never get punctured with this tyre.
So for the stitching for the tyre of Alex, this is a Kenda Hellcat Pro AGC 2.4 and the pressure inside it's 1.7 in the front and 1.8 in the rear.